All right, so let's create a material and apply it to this outer casing. The material that's transparent. So we'll go to materials. We'll create a new slot and create a new material. We can give it a name. Um, let's come down here and we'll open up our shader editor. And there it is. We will leave the basics in place. I'm going to add a transparent BDSF. Let's just put it here, here. That'll be fine. I'm going to add a mix shader. We'll put that here. In fact, we'll put it right in between there. And let's add the transparency shader to this one. Let's come down to alpha on the principal BDSF, and we'll just take that down a bunch. I'm not seeing any change at the moment. So let's come over here to materials. Let's change the blend mode to alpha clip, alpha blend, see what that does for us. Let's just make another, let's see here. Oh, there we go. All right. And now we can play around with this a little bit, but something to that effect. Maybe give it a little bit of coloration too. So let's just tweak the base color a little bit to give it a little bit of something. There we go. Something a little bit more like that. So super basic, but there we go.